everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll be comparing Gmail, Apple Mail, and Outlook, and which one is better for all your features for your email. So let's get right into it. Starting with Gmail, it has a clean, intuitive interface with Google Workspace integration. It is best for small filters, AI-based research, and Google integrations. It is also good for your strong spam filtering, but Google scans email for ads and AI features, which is kind of a downside. It is best for everyday users, students, and Google Workspace users. So compare it with iCloud Mail. So iCloud Mail is basically an Apple Mail, which is simple native for Apple users, but lacks advanced filtering. It works seamlessly on macOS and iOS, but lacks advanced organizing tools. It is best for privacy with mail privacy protection to block trackers. It is best for Apple users who want a simple private email experience. Now lastly we'll talk about Outlook. Outlook is feature-rich but has a learning curve due to its business-oriented tools. It is best for calendar scheduling, business emails, and Microsoft 365 integration. It is high security with enterprise-level encryption and phishing protection. It is best for your business professionals, corporate users, and Microsoft 365 subscribers. Now the final verdict. I'll say choose Outlook if you need a powerful email client for work and business integration. Choose Apple Mail if you prefer private Apple native email experience. Choose Gmail if you want a fast, reliable email with AI-powered organization. And with that, I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.